brewing or steaming. And a separate ground coffee funnel lets you brew a different variety of coffee, such as decaf, when you have regular beans in the bean container. The J5 has automatic cleaning cycles and the unique Clearo water filtration system, which purifies the water and eliminates decalcification, making maintenance as easy as making coffee. The J5 is a perfect combination of three-dimensional beauty and ease. Available in both matte black and glossy piano white, the J5's elegant silhouette, stainless steel components, rich platinum metallic front, stunning cup illumination, and rotary dial ease make the J5 the most sought-after super automatic coffee center on the market. Now with the J5, it's easier than ever to create your own personal coffee sensation. The Impressa J5, if you love coffee.